What's up everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Zach Oldshafer, and in this video I got 4 Dell laptops that I won from an auction. Put the listing right here. Paid 55 bucks for 4 of these. Here's the other 3 right here. They're all Dell Latitude E5430s, I believe. And they were all listed as having bad batteries, so I got a replacement battery right here, just unbranded, it's a random one. Okay, so let's get this opened on up. And I asked the seller if there was any other issues with these, and he said the only issue was the batteries. So I'm gonna obviously double check that all the keys and stuff work, but I won't do that in this video. I'm just gonna be testing that everything turns on. Put this battery out. Let's pop the new one on in. Right here, there we go. Flip this back over. And shows power already. Let's see, this turns on now. Just hit the power button again real quick. This one is missing this little piece right here, so not 100% accurate. There are some other issues, but that won't hurt this too much. This is not a very used key, I feel like. But the screen's on now. Just gotta hit F1. Let this reboot itself. Okay, so this one looks like it's been fully reset. So it's just on the home screen. I'm not gonna worry about setting this up right now. Like I said, I'm gonna test this off screen. But so far we got one working one that powers on. So let's get on to the second one. Okay, so we got the second one here now. So let's flip this over. Get this battery on out of here. Put it with the other one. Put the new battery on in. And these all should be the 4GB RAM version with the i7 chip, I believe. And I think they have like a 320GB hard drive. So at this point, I think these are going for like 60, maybe like 50 to 70 bucks per laptop. And it came with a charger for each one. So be able to definitely make money on these if they all work. F1 there. Just power it off. Let's see if it turns right back on. Should. There we go. Just waiting for screen to pop up. So I mean, at this rate, so far we got 2 working ones it seems, and this key is here. I mean, I could probably just buy a replacement. It's probably like maybe like 20 cents for that, just a piece of rubber basically. But should be able to get like about 70 each for these hopefully. So paying 55. After I sell one of these, I'll make back all my money, and then the other 3 are all profit. Probably get an extra like 5-10 bucks since I have the charger for each of them. Okay, so it's onto the startup screen. This one seems like it's not an actual account, but it's set up already. I'm just waiting for it to get past this welcome screen. So it booted up instantly, just right to the home screen. So this is another working one, another 60 bucks, 70 bucks ish. So let's get on to the third one. Okay, so we got the third one right here. This one is a little bit more dirty. Has this like paper or sticker residue that's stuck to it. I could definitely get that off with some Goo Gone. So not too bad, honestly. So far it's a really good lot. Now let's pop this test battery in this one. There we go. So far we're 2 for 2. This one has all the keys and the rubber piece. Screen a little bit dusty just like the others, but I'll clean all these off obviously before I list them for sale and sell them. But for now, I mean, so far we're doing pretty good on this. And this one boots right on up to the start screen. So it's another one that we got. Just make sure the mouse works. There we go. So that's 3 for 3 so far. Let's get on to the 4th and last one. Okay, so we got the 4th one right here. Let's get this battery on out of here. And the only reason I'm just testing the batteries in these is because that's what they were sold to me as, that being the issue. And obviously they all look fine besides that. Let's get this opened on up. This one has all the keys as well. Turns right on. The light right there. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, hit that subscribe button. This one, Latitude E5430, right there. Just tap this F1 key real quick. Let this boot up. Okay, and this one's booting up to this screen. I'm just gonna let it load.
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
So this one booted up, go to Cortana.
Here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll...
Just gonna turn this off. Don't really want to be doing all this Cortana stuff. Okay, so this one fully booted up now and onto the start screen. So we got another working one. So we went 4 for 4 today. Really good. It's going to be an easy profit that we can make on this. And also, I know it's a pretty simple video, not too long, but hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Stay blessed.